Hello everyone. Today I'm going to use the Philips Lumina Advance device and give you my review. Now, who should not use this device due to medical conditions? Please check the booklet that I have posted in my unboxing video. I have mentioned the link in the description. Let's start. Firstly, I'm cleaning my leg with water and some shower gel. Here I'm not showing it, I'm just using some water, but you can clean your leg with shower gel and water so that any oil or any cream is there, it will go off. After that, I'll wipe it with a cloth. Then I will use the shaving razor to remove the unwanted hair using a conditioner. I normally use a conditioner to remove the hair when I use a shaving razor. You can use an epilator or wax to remove the unwanted hair, but then you will have to wait for 24 hours before using the device on that body part. Here is the device. I have plugged it and switched it on. There is a button on this device which we have to on. Once you on, it goes to the first setting. Again, if you press, it goes to second, and so on. Now place the device on the skin in 90 degree. Now you can see lights, white light, orange light and no light. White light shows that the device detects your skin. It is able to treat your skin. Orange light shows your skin is darker tone, so the device cannot detect, it cannot be used on that skin or skin tone. And white shows that it can be used on that skin tone. And when there is no light, it means the device is not held properly on the skin, means it is not having contact with the skin. When you use this device for the first time, you need to do a patch test so that you come to know whether you have any rashes or some issues with this device. Keep the setting on 1, place the device on your skin in 90 degree and check whether you get a white light. If you get, press the flash button, you will get a flashlight. Then change the setting to 2 and again place the device on another area and press the flash button, you will get a flashlight. Keep doing this in different areas so that after 24 hours you come to know that yes, you have any issues in those particular parts, that setting 1 is better for you or setting 2 or setting 3 or setting 4. This is the button which you have to press to get the flashlight. This will be enabled only when you get a white light, and white light shows that it is ready for pressing the flash button. If you are not able to bear the pain, it is just like a hot prick. So you don't go to the next setting. You can stop in that setting. After 24 hours, you can see that first setting this patch, second setting this patch. If you get any rashes in particular setting, don't use that setting, go to the previous settings. That shows that the previous setting is comfortable for your skin. After 24 hours, I'm using this device. I have kept the setting at 3 and I will be using all over my leg in a sequence, like I'll go up to down or down to up anyways, but I'll make sure that I'm covering each and every part. I should not leave or miss some part. It might happen you'll miss, but in the later settings, later days when you are going to treat it again, that time you can find out that some places are missed and you can use the device on it at that time. Some areas might show orange light. I will tell you some product that I am using which made my skin even, and it made my skin lighter because I also had tanning. This is the product I have used to even tone my skin. Nivea Natural Fairness Cool Fresh Even Tone Complex and Vitamin C. You can either use this or any other product or homemade Upton to make your skin even tone, so that the Lumina Advance detects the skin better and it is easy to use it all over your body part. If you feel the device is getting hot, keep it for some time aside and then use it later. In between, keep cleaning the sensor area so that it will detect the skin better. Here I am using this device on my hand. Once you get the white light, you have to press the flash button and you will get a click flashlight. And then you move to the another part of the body. Like that you keep moving till all the body part is covered. You have to take small moves so that you don't miss any part. Now once you're done, remove the plug, clean the parts inside everywhere and keep it outside for some time so that it cools down, and then you can pack it in the box and keep it safe inside. Only issue I found is if the skin tone is not detected by the device, you cannot use it. It will not show you the white light, and so you cannot use the flash button. Because when I bought this, it was not detecting my skin. Then I had to use some creams to make it even tone, and then I used it. The only issue I felt is if the skin is darker, your skin tone is darker, this device will not detect it. So you cannot use it in those areas like underarms. If your underarms are dark, you cannot use it. Knees. So you need to make that area first fairer. I hope my review will help you guys. You can check out my another video of unboxing. I have put that booklet, the whole booklet. In that all the details are given, and here I have shown you how to use it and what difficulty I faced, so that when you are buying this product you are clear that whether it will be useful for you or not. My personal experience is after taking the first treatment itself, I could see patches on my leg. Now these patches were hair free and smooth. So I think after using this device for a period of time, that body part will become hair free, and you no longer have to use this device. And you don't have to use any epilator, waxing, shaving, nothing. So your body will be hair free.